Hello guys, in preparation for the updates that I'll be sharing in the coming days, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to add CORE to your OKX wallet. In my previous video I did a video guide on how to create your OKX wallet. I said in my previous video that I'll actually be sharing an update, which is the Coresage smart contract. The Coresage smart contract. Now this update will help us accumulate the CORE. Alright, CORE now is Bitcoin's #1 DeFi chain, and through this Coresage smart contract we shall be accumulating the CORE coins for ourselves completely for free. Not only completely for free, alright, I would like to say much about this update. In my next video I'll be giving us full details about this update, alright, but for this video I just want to show us how to add your CORE, how to add CORE to your OKX wallet. As you can see, this is CORE here, currently trading at 0.028, and we shall be accumulating more of CORE using this smart contract because it is rumored and speculated that CORE will increase in value $4 to $5 before the year runs out. Okay, if you're coming to my channel for the first time or you're watching my video for the first time, I would like you to stick around and watch this video to the end. I promise you that you won't regret signing put. Alright, if this is the first time joining my channel, I would like you now to stick around. Go down and smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that when I start putting the content you will be the first to be notified. Now there are two ways you can add CORE to your OKX wallet. First is swapping this USDT. As you can see, I have USDT here, 7.2 USDT here. You can swap this USDT to CORE, or you can send CORE directly from a vendor or from another Web3 wallet to your OKX wallet. I think I actually noticed something. Now let me head on to swap the 7 USD. I actually sent the 7 USD here for the purpose of swapping this, but I noticed that the swap feature here didn't work. Now as you can see, I'll be tapping on swap here. I want to swap this USDT to CORE, but I noticed that the feature is actually not supported here. Now see, I already have my USDT here, which is valued at 7.2 USD. Now when I click on the BNB, now I want to swap my USD to, now when I search on CORE, when I searched on CORE here, I noticed CORE wasn't available. Alright, that's for the swapping feature. Alright, so the next option is, okay, now I could use the advanced feature here, that's using buying CORE using my USDT balance. Now let me change my BNB here to USDT. Now I change this now to USDT. Alright, now pay with, now what I want to buy, let's say pay with BNB, or pay with okay, this is chain. Now you can see I am, okay, this is the amount now. Alright, you see, as you can see here, there's no feature for me to change this now to CORE because I want to buy CORE. So now what I'll be doing now, I'll be sending this 7 USD to my Gate exchange. I think my Gate exchange has that feature, so I'm going to be using the spot trading there to convert it to CORE. Then I'll send it back as CORE. So now in a short while I'll be coming back and I'll be continuing this video. Now I'll be showing you guys how to use USDT to buy CORE in your exchange. This is Gate exchange. I have successfully sent the 7.2 USDT from my OKX wallet to my Gate exchange, since I can't convert from USDT to CORE in my OKX wallet. Alright, please note that you can do this in any exchange, be it Binance, be it Bybit, or whichever exchange supports CORE. Alright, now I've sent this here and I'll be showing you guys how to convert this USDT to CORE in my Gate exchange. Now make sure you locate the trade center in your exchange. Alright, now there are two ways I can convert my USDT to CORE. First is the convert section, second is the spot. But let me show you guys how to use the convert section to convert your USDT to CORE. Alright, now as you can see, I have USDT automatically selected here. I have CORE automatically selected here. Now yours might not be automatically selected, but you can just tap the drop down button to select your choice crypto asset you want to convert to USDT. Now I have total of 7.2 USDT available here. If I click this on max, so 7 USDT will be giving me a total of 254 CORE. Alright, so I can just click on preview and it converts automatically. And the second method is on the spot section here. I can just buy CORE using my USDT on the spot. Now under the buy section here, You see I have limit here. I'll change this now to market price, which I'll be buying exactly market price. Now as you can see, I'll click on market price. Now you see my total USD I have here, which is 7.2 USD. all right, so this 7.2 USDT will give me a total of 256 core. all right, so now you see my USDT balance here. I'll be dragging this thing to 100%, which means I'm using a total of 7.2 USDT to buy core. So now guys, I'll be tapping on buy now, and it buys immediately. Let's see how it goes. Buy market price, it buys immediately. So now I'll be clicking on confirm. Boom guys, see it's loading. Boom guys, as you can see, I bought a total of 256 core. I want to believe you saw my method. You can use two methods, which is using convert and support. Alright, so let me go back to my assets. Now let me head on to my assets. So let's see my available assets. Alright, so as you can see now, under my assets, I have core 255 core. Alright, so now this is how you convert your USDT to core. Now I'll be sending this core now to my OKX wallet. Alright, so if you have watched up to this part of the video, I would like you now to go down and smash the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the bell notification icon so that when next I upload the content, you will be fully notified. So I'll be heading on to my OKX wallet now to copy my core wallet address so that I can send my core from my Gate exchange to my OKX wallet. This is my OKX wallet. Let me head on to my core now and copy my core address. So I'll be depositing into this address in my Gate exchange. Okay, let me just tap on receive here. I will copy my wallet address here. So I'll be depositing into this address in my Gate exchange. So I'll be heading on to my Gate exchange now as I deposit into this. Alright, so I have my wallet address copied, my core wallet address copied for my OKX wallet. So let me send immediately to my OKX wallet. I'll be tapping on my core. So let me tap on this button here. I'll be tapping on withdraw. Since I want to withdraw my core balance from this wallet to the other, so I'll be tapping on withdraw. Make sure it is on chain. Yes, on chain guys, on chain. Now this is on chain, so I will paste my wallet address here. Paste here. Network is CORE. Make sure your network is in CORE. Alright, so I'll be maxing everything here. So that's max. Alright, now this is the network fee, 1.71 core. Okay guys, so everything is set here. My network fee 1.7 core. So out of 255 core, I'll be receiving 254 core. So now I'll be tapping on withdraw here guys. Make sure everything is set to this. Your network is CORE. So let's allow this to load. So guys, as you can see, I'm asked now to confirm this transaction. So as soon as I confirm, it will reflect in my OKX wallet. So let's see how it goes. Security verification guys. Alright, I'll be coming back to this video after I finish with my security verification. So guys, as you can see, the withdrawal has been initiated after filling up those withdrawal password and my authenticator. So now I'll be going shortly to my OKX to see if it has actually reflected in my OKX wallet. As you can see, withdrawal is successful. Now I'll be heading to my OKX. Let's confirm this deposit. Guys, as you can see, my core has reflected in my OKX wallet. The total sum of 254 core, that is worth about $7. So this is how you deposit core in your Web3 wallet. Now in preparation for the update I'll be sharing shortly. So now I quickly highlight the two ways you can add core to your Web3. First is you send in USDT to any of the following exchanges. You can use Gate.io, Binance, Bybit. Then you use the spot or convert method to convert or change your USDT to your core. Now you send back your core to your OKX wallet. Now I want to believe you have learned from this little video guide how to add core to your Web3 OKX Web3 wallet. So go right now, create your OKX wallet, add core to your wallet. As in my next video, I will give you guys a full guide on how to start the Coresage smart contract. I'm going to be telling you guys what to expect, how to maximize your earnings and the rest. So I want to believe you have gotten value from this video. If you have done so, I would like you now to go down, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, so that when I start uploading the content, you will be the first to be notified. And again, I have a community where I post timely updates on how to make money online. So if you want to be getting updates on core smart contracts, do well to use the link in the description, join my channel, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next update. Peace.